Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Bedrock hacked client Horion for Minecraft. Do you want to make your Minecraft go from this boring thing to this awesome, amazing hacked client that gives you ultimate superpowers? I'm going to be showing you how today. So all we have to do is go to this link, which I will leave in the description, horion.download, and click this big green download button to the left here. Then select desktop and go ahead and save that down to the desktop. It's going to be a really quick download, and then you should end up with something like this. I just got another one. We don't need this because this is the second one. But basically what it's going to give you is this little Horion injector. So how this works is we're going to need to have the Minecraft loaded in the general thing. So I'll just cross this off and reload it just for demonstration purposes. So once we're in the Minecraft launcher, we're going to make sure that we're not in the Java edition, but that we're in the Minecraft for Windows edition. This is the Bedrock version of the game. We're going to go ahead and hit play, and it should run pretty fast. As you can see, it's loading up. Now we have the regular Minecraft. So what we're going to do once this is regularly loaded is we're going to double click the Horion injector and just hit inject. This is going to be very fast, and it should instantly hack the game and turn it into the Horion client. Next thing we're going to have to do just to set this thing up is load into a regular world. By default we've already got some changes here, but what we're going to have to do is go ahead and hit the slash button, and then we're going to type dot bind. We're going to remove the slash, dot bind space click GUI space Y. You can change this to any key, but I just default it to Y. Now we go out. Now when we tap the Y button on our keyboard, we will get this hack menu. The main ones you're going to want to enable first is no fall, possibly air jump. There's a lot of different things you can do in here. You'll have to play around with this yourself if you really want to see what Killer and multi-horror and all that sort of stuff does. But now that we're in the game, we're in survival mode. As you can see, we can jump around like it's nothing. It's amazing. As you can see, I am in survival and I am perfectly capable of running around within the world doing all sorts of stuff that I should not be able to do, like airplay. So I'm currently flying. Probably has a Jesus hack, I'm not entirely sure. But when you press the Y button, it's the Y key, it will show you all of these, and you can enable them and disable them by just left clicking. That's a normal click. And there's these little plus buttons. If you right click on these, that will give you extra options, and you can slide these little bars up and down to change the speed, for example spider and all that. Go ahead and get to hacking, and you can do all sorts of stuff. There's lots and lots of stuff that you can do on here that you cannot do on the other thing. It gives you an unfair advantage. So use it at your own risk. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.